What's up, YouTubers? I'm not too sure if people are ready for this yet. This is summer. I'm in a t-shirt and I've got my motocross body armour on the outside. Check his knee sliders out, show off. Fucking hell, what was she doing? She ain't gonna fucking stop, cheers. I take that back, she is gonna stop, thank you. She's a lovely lady as well. Kill the indicators. Better kill them rather than kill the pedestrian. Okay, the fuel light is on, standard. Right, let's go get some juice in this puppy. Alright, there you go. Yeah, you're going to be on YouTube. Should have one of my cards. Look at this bloody helmet on. It's ridiculous. Just made up a new word. Oh, managed to hit the hole. Standard. Fucking giraffe. Here we go. Let these guys out. Here we go. Going. Now it's got to find of its own now, the internal sun visor. So either somebody's worked its way loose, or it's just shit. I've solved the issue with the screen. We've got some blue tack. Wow. That was Italian knife. Only wasn't that Italian? What are you doing, mate? He don't even. Oh, don't tell. You're telling me you don't know what side you're fucking doing. Come on. I'm saying that and I can't even get fucking neutral. Got that all over my back tyre. Gien. Fucking screamers. Right. Oh, I've only got vanilla. We need chocolate. Got chocolate. Oh, love these. I'm pretty addicted to this stuff. Hello, Rosie. Hello, Dopey. This is Chewbacca. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? You gonna drop your ball? You gonna drop it? You gonna drop it? You gotta drop it. Come on. Yeah, I know. I can see the ball. You gonna drop it? You gotta drop the ball. Crazy dog. Look, just like my kids. Doesn't do anything I say.